Today's lesson, how to draw a cartoon Sylvester the cat. Well, let's begin today's lesson. It's going to be on how to draw Sylvester the cat. I'm John-Marc, and I'm going to be giving you step-by-step instructions on how to sketch and to draw this fun, lovable character that I grew up on. And he's one of my favorite characters. All right, so what I did first is I wanted to create a very simple structure that you could follow. It's kind of like a mirror image on both sides. So I did a front shot of Sylvester. Create the head first, and then I did the bullseye in the middle, and then I'm just creating the little cheeks with his tuft of hair on both the left side and the right side. All right, now I'm going to create this big nose, as we all know him by, that red shiny nose, and his simple ears. So what you can see on one side is basically almost like a mirror image on the other side. So I thought of just working on him here. I have many other drawings that I will show of some of the Warner Brothers and Disney in action shots in the days and weeks ahead for 2020. All right, so let's get his little hair done on the top. As you can see, sketching is very rough and crude, and this is a normal thing when you're even animating or drawing characters. This is the best way of learning. Not to use a black Sharpie pen is not a way of learning for an artist. Going on and thereafter inking with a Sharpie pencil or a brush is fine, but traditionally you should start with a pencil. That's all our master and professional artists will do it this way. So I want to share you the right way and the wrong way. And this is just a basic rough sketch that you're learning, and go very light and build it up. And the tufts are here. You might need to have a model sheet next to you when creating this if you don't know the character. You may not know it by heart, but if you did this picture over and over again, I guarantee you won't need that model sheet over and over again. And always try to time yourself and make sure you date them, as always a good reference point to follow to see how you're growing. So, and this is simple. From here I'll actually ink it in Illustrator, and then I'll just show you the color one at another time when I'll be doing traditional color pencils by hand, a lot of these pictures. So now I'm going to go a little heavier on my line, because now I think I have the structure of the little character, a little Sylvester. All right, I got his eyelids there. Get us all highlight for his nose. There we go. He's looking really good. I'm just going to fine tune him. He may not be 100% perfect right now. That's okay. This is just a thumbnail and a sketch going out. All right, and then later on again, if you always want to do a finer detail, take your existing picture, tape it on a window, and put another blank paper on top, and then you can basically use it as like tracing paper. And there's his little whiskers hanging down. There you go. Years ago I worked with Warner Brothers making designs for the garments, and I create many from Sylvester, Bugs, Tweety, Taz, Porky, the whole gang. I made a lot of designs for them. All right, let's work this one out to get the curve all the way to the bottom. There we go, that's looking good. Let's get the other side now. And move it around, there we go. Okay, a little darker, a little bit more stronger with the pencil line, because now I have the sketch all laid out that I can actually follow through. All right, let's get a little bit on the ears now, a little bit darker, because I can reshape them, make them taller. Change the format. That's looking good. Let's just color him in. Let's give some shade, because we know Sylvester, he's actually a black and white kitty. Let's get his little hair. There we go. Let's get a little darker. All right, there we go. That's looking good. Let's shade that in a little bit. And I'm just using quick speed lines. I'm not worried about staying in the area. So this is just a rough sketch again, and just shading, and it kind of separates and gives the tone of the character. You can already see him jumping out at you right now and chasing Tweety. All right, there we go. All right, he's looking good. All right, let's look at that little line there a little bit more. As always, make sure you date and sign it, And make sure you share this with your family and friends, and see if you could change his eyes by opening or closing them or blinking. There's a lot of different ways you can change this by keeping the same existing one. So thanks for watching this video, and as always, have a great day.